Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, English, National Early English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to have a class with the students of class 3. Our today's subject is English language. Today, we will read paragraph 1 and 2. This is our lecture number 11. Your diary will be learn paragraph 1, 2. Okay, my dear students, now let's start our paragraph. Today we will learn two paragraphs that we say composition. Number 1, our national flag and our victory day. Composition, our national flag and our victory day. First, we are reading our national flag. A national flag is the symbol of independence of a country. Bangladesh is an independent country, and like every independent country, it also has a national flag. We became independent in 1971. Our national flag is rectangular in shape. Its length and width is 10:6. The color of our national flag is deep green with a red circle in the middle. The green color of the flag represents the green nature of our country, and the red circle symbolizes the bloodshed of our freedom fighters. Our national flag is our valuable possession. It is our pride and glory. Okay. So we came to know about our national flag, that it is our pride and glory. Now come our victory day. Our victory day is 16 December, which is a red letter day in the history of Bangladesh. On this day, we achieved victory at the cost of many lives, and Bangladesh occupied a place in the world map as an independent country. Every year, we observe this day. We remember the supreme sacrifice of the heroic sons who died for the country. The day begins with gunshot. The whole country wears a festive look. The national flag is hoisted in different offices and educational institutes. This day is a source of great joy, hope, and inspiration. We should uphold the dignity of our victory day. So, my dear students, you will practice reading these two paragraph or composition, and you must learn this. This is all for today. Stay well, stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.